Some mathematics. In this video, if x and y are real numbers and then x cubed plus 3xy squared is equal to 8, y cubed plus 3yx squared is equal to 26. We have to find the value of x to the power 6 plus y to the power 6. Okay, let's start. X cubed plus 3xy squared is equal to 28. Let's label this one as equation 1. Then y cubed plus 3yx squared equal to 26. Let's label this one now. Before we solve this question, I want us to take note of these expressions. The first one is x plus y cubed. When you expand this one, you are going to get x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy times x plus y. Then x minus y is also equal to x cubed minus y cubed minus 3xy times x minus y. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now I want us to add the two equations. So equation 1 plus equation 2. When we do that, on the left hand side, we are going to get x cubed plus 3xy squared plus y plus 3yx squared equal to, on the right hand side, we have 28 plus 2. Let's simplify the left hand side. X cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy squared plus 3yx squared equal to 4. That is 28 plus 2. Okay, this implies that x cubed plus y cubed. Now we can factorize 3xy out plus 3xy, then x plus y, which is equal. You remember I stated some relation here. X plus y cubed is equal to x cubed. So in place of this, we can say x plus y all cubed is equal to 54. Now let's get rid of the cube. So we take the cube root on both sides. X plus y will be equal to the cube root of 54. Okay. Now let's see how we simplify the right hand side. 54 is equal to 2 times 27. 4 1/3 cube root times 27 to the power 1/3. And this will be 2 raised to the power 1/3, the cube root times 27 cube 1, which is 2 raised to the power 1/3 times the cube root of 27. So you have 3 times the cube. So go back, x plus y will then be equal to 3 times the cube root. Let's label this equation as equation 3. We are going to subtract the two equations. Equation 1 minus equation 2. On the left hand side, we have x cubed plus 3xy squared minus y cubed plus 3yx squared. On the right hand side, we have 28 minus. When we open up, we have x cubed minus y cubed plus 3xy squared minus 3yx squared equal to 2. That's rearrange them. We have x cubed minus y cubed plus. We can want to factorize. Now to do that, let's bring 3xy out so that we have x minus y. Same thing, when we multiply, realize that you get the same thing. Yes, equal to. And remember, per our beginning, we said that x minus y cubed is equal to x cubed minus y cubed minus 3xy times 3x. The same way, we are going to have x minus y be equal to 2, so that we have x minus y is equal to, we take the cube root on both sides. Again, let's label this equation 4. Okay, so equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 3 times the cube root of 2. That is equation 3. Then equation 4, x minus y equals to the cube root of 2. Let's add the two equations. We have 2x, so y will go. So we have 3 times the cube root of 2 plus the cube root. So that will be 2x equal to 4 times the cube root of 2. To find x, you divide both sides by 2, so that x becomes 2 times the cube root of 2. Now we want to find y. We put this one in any of these equations so that we have the 2 times the cube root of 2 plus y equal to 3 times the cube root of 2. Y be equal to 3 times the cube root of 2 minus 2 times the cube root of 2. Y be equal to the cube root. Now we were asked to find x to the power 6 plus y to the power 6. We know x is 2 times the cube root of 2 all raised to the power 6 plus y is to the cube root of 2 raised to the power 6. Let's write it in a more elaborate way. 2 times 2 raised to the power 1/3 times 6 indices plus 2 raised to the power 1/3 times 6. That is from indices a raised to the power m all raised to the power n. That will be a raised to the power mn. This will go here too. You have, so this is, yes, the 6 is part. So that you have 2 raised to the power 6 is 64 times 2 times 4 plus. So you have 2 raised to the power. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, and then 2 raised to the power 2 plus that. So this is giving us 256 plus 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. So when we put them together, that will be 200. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.